Let me keep it real with you. Everybody online talks about trading like it's magic. You see those flashy ads, I made $500 in 5 minutes, or influencers posting their screenshots. But here's the truth, 90% of people never tell you the real story. And that's why you're here today. I want to break down what no one tells you about Olymp Trade, not the hype, not the fake promises, just the raw truth that can help you win in 2025 without falling for traps. If you've ever wondered, is this platform real? Can I really start with no experience? What's the catch? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to start trading the smart way. Here's the first thing nobody tells you. Trading is not gambling. A lot of people join Olymp Trade thinking it's like a casino. Click a button, get lucky, double your money. But let's be honest, that mindset is why people blow their accounts in the first week. Olymp Trade is a trading platform, not a slot machine. The difference is knowledge. Gambling is blind luck. Trading is strategy, analysis, and risk management. If you flip a coin, that's gambling. If you study market movements, look at charts, apply indicators, and trade with discipline, that's trading. Nobody tells you this because gambling sells. People love the idea of quick money, but the traders who win long term, they're calm, patient, and calculated. And Olymp Trade actually gives you tools like charts, indicators, and education to help you do it right. So forget the casino mindset. This is business. Second thing they don't tell you, the demo account is your best friend. Most beginners see the demo and think, this is fake money, I want real results. But the smartest move, stay on demo until you're confident. Olymp Trade gives you a free practice account with virtual money and you can reset it whenever you want. That's rare. Think about it. Would you drive a car on the highway without practicing in a parking lot first? No, you'd crash. Demo is your parking lot. You test, you make mistakes, you learn. Then when you finally go live with real money, you're calmer, sharper, and ready. The funny thing is, people skip this step because it feels boring. But skipping the demo is like skipping training before a big match. And trust me, the market punishes unprepared players. Here's another truth no one shouts about. You don't need a lot of money to start. Olymp Trade allows you to begin with just $10. Now, think about other side hustles. If you want to start a shop, you need rent, stock, and licenses. If you want to start a food delivery gig, you need a bike, fuel, time, trading. You literally need your phone, internet, and $10. Starting small is smart. It removes pressure. If you lose, it's just $10, not your rent money. And when you win, you're building habits without fear. That's how you learn discipline. But here's what no one tells you. Most of those flashy gurus online started small too. They don't show you their $10 or $20 beginnings. They just show you the day they made $1,000. Don't get fooled. Every pro was once a beginner. This one is huge. Consistency is everything. People get excited about one big win. They want to double their account in a single day. But that's not trading, that's chasing luck. The real game is small, steady profits that add up over time. Let's do some math. Imagine you only make 2% profit a day. Doesn't sound exciting, right? But over 30 days, that's more than 60% growth. If you started with $50, that's $80 in a month. Next month, you grow that $80. That's how compounding works. This is why Olymp Trade gives you tools like risk management features. You can set limits, use indicators, and manage your trades carefully. No one tells you this because it sounds slow and boring, but consistency is how people stay in the game for years instead of burning out in weeks. Another thing no one talks about, emotions. The market doesn't beat you, you beat yourself. Fear, greed, impatience, those are the killers. Imagine this, you win a trade, you get greedy, you overtrade, then you lose it all. Or you lose once, you panic, you quit too early. Olymp Trade gives you the tools, but you have to control your mind. Set goals, walk away after hitting them, don't chase losses. This part doesn't sound sexy, so people skip it. But trust me, mastering emotions is the difference between being a gambler and being a trader. And here's the last hidden truth, timing matters. The market moves differently at different hours. Morning volatility, afternoon slowdowns, late night swings. If you're trading while half asleep, you'll miss patterns. Olymp Trade lets you trade anytime, but the best traders pick a schedule and stick to it. No one tells you that your lifestyle affects your trading. Maybe you're sharpest in the morning before work, or maybe evenings fit better. Find your rhythm. Olymp Trade doesn't force you into a 9 to 5, it gives you flexibility. And in 2025, that freedom is priceless. So let's recap. What no one tells you about Olymp Trade is this: it's not gambling, the demo is gold, small deposits are powerful, consistency beats jackpots, emotions are the real enemy, and timing is everything. Forget the hype, forget the fake flexes. If you approach Olymp Trade with patience and strategy, it can become one of the smartest side hustles you'll ever have. Start small, stay consistent, and trade smart. Click the link below, open your Olymp Trade account, and take your first step today. Because in 2025, financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter.